In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and maximize your use of Pipedrive using their virtual assistant. Let's dive right in and explore how you can streamline your workflow and make the most out of this powerful tool. First things first, head over to the Pipedrive homepage. If you're new to Pipedrive, you'll find that it's an intuitive platform designed to help manage your sales processes seamlessly. With an organized approach, Pipedrive makes it easy to track deals, manage activities, and stay on top of your business efforts. Once you've reached the home page, you'll notice a variety of features tailored to ease your management tasks. Now, let's focus on the Activities tab located on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you can log all of your business activities. Keeping a consistent record of your activities is crucial to optimizing your use of Pipedrive. Think of this tab as your digital planner. It helps you stay organized and ensures you never miss a beat. Automation can significantly boost your productivity too. Pipedrive offers automation for routine tasks like email follow-ups and creating new activities. By automating these mundane tasks, you free up more time to focus on developing your relationships with potential clients or strategizing your next big move. Moving along, direct your attention to the Deals tab, also found on the left-hand side. This section is your command center for tracking the progress of sales deals. Here, you can manage current deals, assess their success potential, and identify which steps to take next. Making regular updates here as you close deals or advanced stages is key to keeping everything up to date, which in turn gives you an accurate view of your sales pipeline. It's crucial to integrate your email and any other tools you regularly use to have a unified view within Pipedrive. This seamless integration not only saves time but also helps maintain an organized system, allowing you to manage leads and deals more effectively. Moreover, utilizing the leads inbox is a great way to manage potential customers before they become official deals. This feature helps you nurture relationships at an early stage, setting the groundwork for successful business engagements. Don't forget the importance of personalizing your CRM. By customizing pipeline stages and using templates, you can maintain a genuine human touch in your interactions. A personalized approach can make a world of difference in how your clients perceive their engagement with you. Finally, remember to regularly analyze your reports and data. Keeping an eye on your performance allows you to track trends and make informed decisions. By examining your data and adjusting strategies as needed, you ensure that your efforts are always aligned with your goals. Always update your Pipedrive data in real time, as this helps maintain accuracy and efficiency across your workflow. That's a wrap on our guide for using Pipedrive's virtual assistant. With this knowledge, you're poised to optimize your workflow and leverage Pipedrive's full potential. Thank you for joining me today.